Hello, I'm Samya. Directions. Read the given information and answer the questions that follow. The following questions are based on a diagram given adjacent showing 4 persons stationed at the 4 corners of the square plot as shown. And the question is, from the original position B and D moves 1.5 length of sides clockwise and anti-clockwise respectively. Which one of the following statement is true? Let's find out the solution. Here, it is given to us that B and D moves clockwise and anti-clockwise to 1.5 length of their sides. Now, let's do that. D in a anti-clockwise direction, that is 1.5 length, reaching somewhere between C and A. Similarly, B in a clockwise direction reaches the exact location where D had been. Let's check out the options. B and D are both at the midpoint between A and C. Here we can clearly see that option number 1 is the correct answer because according to the diagram we made, we had seen that between somewhere A and C, B and D are located. So, the option number 1 is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. Directions. Read the given information and answer the questions that follow. The following questions are based on the diagram given adjacent showing 4 persons stationed at the 4 corners of the square plot as shown. Now the question. From the positions in original figure, C and A moves diagonally to opposite corners and then one side each clockwise and anti-clockwise respectively. B and D moves 2 sides each clockwise and anti-clockwise respectively. Where is A now? From the diagram, let's find out the locations of A and C. Originally, they were stationed this way. Later, they moved diagonally. That is, A towards. They moved diagonally. That is, A towards B and consecutively C towards D. Again, they moved one side each clockwise and anti-clockwise respectively. That means, if A had travelled to B and C had travelled to D, they had moved clockwise and C anti-clockwise. That is, in their final destination, A would be at the position where C was and C is in the position where A was. For the question, where is A now? If we go through the diagram, we can clearly see that A is stationed between southwest direction. So, here, let's check out the options. Option number 4 is the one at which A is positioned at the southwest corner. So, the answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. Directions. Read the given information and answer the questions that follow. The following questions are based on the diagram given adjacent, showing 4 persons stationed at the 4 corners of the square plot as shown. And the question is, after the movements given in the above question, who is at the northwest corner? For the solution, in the previous question, we had find out that after moving diagonally, A and C have switched places, making B and D moved their situations. Later, they had shifted one side clockwise and anti-clockwise. That is, B has shifted from this position to this position. Similarly, D has shifted from here to this position. So, we can clearly say that on the northwest corner, the person who is standing is obviously C. Thus, option number 3 is the correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.